All right, we are back. My name is Jesse, and today we're just doing a quick video. We're gonna try and detail the engine on this '04 Sierra, just with some basic products that we got on Amazon. I think this was $4. It's an engine degreaser from Zep. My plan is to just use this whole can on the engine. It says we just let it sit for 10 minutes and then kind of rinse it off with water, and should be good. And then I also picked up this little brush kit from Amazon. It looks like it came with 5 different types of brushes. Some of them have more of like a coarse bristle, and some of them have more of like a fine bristle. I'm probably just going to stick to the coarse bristles. The fine bristles look like maybe they're for interiors. And then it came with some like wire brushes, like vent cleaners. We're probably just going to stick to using these coarse bristles. And we'll see how these work. I want to say these were like $6 on Amazon. So for what I'm using for, they'll do fine. So let's zoom in here and see what this looks like. All right, here's a quick zoom in on our engine here. You can see some of the valve cover down here. Most of it is caked with dark black dirt and grease. So we'll see if the Zep engine degreaser helps out. We'll kind of spray as much as we can. Try and shine up this old engine bay. And then this side is probably the worst. You can't really see any of the valve covers. They're just completely black. And then we'll see if we can spray down kind of like the brake booster, some of these other plastics, see if it helps. Power steering pump looks pretty greasy, so let's start spraying, and then we'll just give it a quick brush, and then we'll rinse it down with the hose. All right, it's the end product here. This Zep engine degreaser is definitely not a just spray it, foam it, and then rinse it off with water. You definitely have to agitate it, but if you agitate it just mildly, I wasn't doing anything hardcore. It knocked off like 95% of the grease and dirt, and you can actually see the valve covers. You used to never be able to see any of the valve covers, but you can see clearly the middle all the way back of the valve cover. So definitely works, and that was the worst part of the grease, was on the valve covers, and it for the most part just cleaned them right up. The driver's side, a little bit of the same thing. A couple spots where it didn't quite get, but you can see the valve cover all the way back, which I've never seen the valve cover since I've owned this truck. And you can see it clearly all the way to the back of the block. So again, you have to do some agitation, but I would say it got about 90% of it. I'm not going to knock it too bad. It was $4. I'm not expecting a miracle out of $4. So $4, one can probably gets you 2 cars. I still have a decent amount of this left over. So, you know, $4, it did pretty good. It definitely doesn't shine anything. You're definitely gonna have to get some like plastic shine or armor all or something, but I can't complain. $4, I would definitely buy it again. The brushes and bristles though, these are definitely for interior use. These are really not made for exterior use. As soon as I started trying to agitate the valve covers, they just deformed immediately, so they weren't that great. For like interior, I'm sure they work fine, but for the kind of engine department, not really. All right, that's gonna wrap this one up, you guys. Just a quick little engine detail, quick little review on this foam citrus degreaser from Zep, which for $4, I think it's all right. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one.